Menteri Ketenaga Putih ke Jylla Meghalaya ba Lahkmen romboi ulong bakat kum ke jingya jengkapor gajing pedan kam ya ke artificial intelligence nek AI ru kalong pedan kam bat ke Jylla Meghalaya ru kan hab ban shim ik senjam bat kamla ban sakut haju ndre ke Jylla kalama de jing AI ban pinya chakamat de jing pule halor ke AI namar ke jing duna ki nohikai ki balapen tebet halor ke nek subject ulong ba ke Jylla kadang kami ibnya ban wara ke jing kelah ndre kan jam shaprang kan syong pat ag jingi trailang bat ki kinhuan ki bedai bat ki core technology bat ke Jylla kadan kaman play jingmut aga ban ai ki Jinghikai ki thamai kat kum ke jing dawa ka por ulong bagidang persang ban mara ag jing kala ha ka ba ka rukom ya ke badan kam ban le bat kalong ka basuk ban syukran de ka ketian ban ne ka balik ka kam mar kadan kam ne trailang bat ki parlok halor kane ka benta lada dei ban penyar ke AI ha baro ki Skul ndrei ka jingkeli ka mi kalong manu ban hikai kane ka subject lada kentu ba ke jing pule ba ka deru ko bakong sanba ban penan kam ki core ki bor uba Lahkmen romboi ulong ba kimla ban thungi ki nohikai AI ndrei ki hab ban penan kam kat badan ki core technology bat ke Sorkar pedeng kadang yele ban penyar ke jing pule haki core technology ki bathamai bat kelentia jangka Meghalaya kan salong ke basai kedar ba haki snam ki banwan.
Here, the government of India at the central level also recognize the need of expanding of the learning of a new technology. So everything is on the table, but we have to move ahead. And how we move ahead, we will know this in the coming. We have to work hand in hand with the central government in anything we do. We cannot just do all alone because the financial implication also is there. Since the government of India recognize that AI also is one of the way forward, so the meeting is held. The meeting also will be held to see that how this technology could be integrated in the school education. But what you say is that that AI will overtake the human. So I don't believe that. I still believe that human have strong because AI is created by human, and human will create other things. So it's an opportunity. Let us use this AI as an opportunity to do many things also, to create many things also. We have to catch up, and not only to catch up, we have also to move with the new age technology or new age way of teaching. That's why we are trying to bring about a change in the sense that what it is today. But having said that, it's easier said than done because we need to partner with somebody to see. Because now, if you tell AI expand into all the schools, then the question is who will be the will teaching or those subject if I bring that to curriculum. So we have to use technology. We cannot appoint AI teachers or AI professor, but we have to use technology wherever because whatever technology is there, it is bound to be obsolete in 10, 15 years. But we have to move